Hello children. We have already discussed about safety rules to be followed at different places. Now let us discuss about few safety rules that are to be followed at public place. So let's learn more from the chapter on keeping safe. Children, you should know your name and your address. It is very important to know your name and your parents' name and their phone number. You should be able to share your phone number in case of an emergency. Do not eat anything given by a stranger. Stranger is a person whom we do not know. Eating food that is given by a stranger can be dangerous. You should politely refuse in case someone is offering you food whom you don't know. Do not walk out of the house alone. If you need to go out for anything, you should go out with someone you know. Never go anywhere with a stranger. It is not safe to go out anywhere with a stranger. If you get lost, stay where you are. In case if you get lost in any event or marketplace, stay right where you are. You should take help from a policeman or an elder person whom you can trust. Do not share your address, phone number with strangers. Now, let us discuss about good and a bad touch. Children, how do we come to know that this touch is good but that touch is bad? When we are touched by someone and we feel good about it, like hug from our parents, high five with your friends, a person who loves and takes care of you. When touches, we call it as a safe touch or a good touch. Bad touch. That touch that makes you feel shy, scared, and uncomfortable, and you don't feel like sharing with anyone. That touch is unsafe or bad touch. No touch zone. Head, legs, hands are our body parts that can be seen. We also have body parts which are covered and they are our private parts. The parts of our body that are covered by a swimsuit are our private parts. There are four parts which should not be touched by anyone, and not should you touch these parts of anyone else's. These are mouth, chest, the part between your legs, and buttocks, also known as bottom. Nobody is allowed to touch these body parts. Your mother may touch you in these body parts while bathing you or dressing you up. A doctor may touch you to check these parts when you are not well, but only in the presence of your parents. Now, what to do if someone tries to touch you in a wrong way, which you don't like? You should shout no. Run to a safe place. Share it with your safe circle, a circle which parents should make, and the people in safe circle will always love and protect you. It may include mother, father, grandparents, and your teacher. Do not hesitate to share with your safe circle, even if it is about someone they know. You should never keep any secret between you and the person whom you do not know or the person who is not in the safe circle.
Look, Mama, this is my body and it belongs to me. My teacher says nobody is allowed to touch my body if I do not like it. But, Mama, how can we know if a touch is good or bad?
Come, good touch and bad touch. When Papa hugs you and Dada pats you, what do you feel?
I feel good.
Good. When someone touches you and you feel good, it is a good touch. When someone touches you and you do not like it, it is a bad touch. If someone hits, pinches, or tries to touch you in your private parts, they are bad touches.
What can I do if someone touches me and I feel unsafe?
Do you know what happens when you touch a butterfly or a bird?
They fly away.
What about a turtle?
It uses its shell to protect itself.
What happens when you disturb a puppy?
It barks and scares the person away.
Yes. Did you see what the animals did to stay safe?
Mama, I cannot fly. I do not have a shell and I cannot bark. How can I stay safe?
You can talk. You can use your voice. Talking is a very powerful tool. If someone makes you feel uncomfortable, you should say a firm no. You can run away to a safe adult. And you should always tell me, Papa, and everyone in your safe circle. Let's make your safe circle. Mama, Papa, teacher, Grandpa, Grandma are people whom I trust you with. People in your safe circle will always help you.
People who touch children and make them feel unsafe are bad people and will be punished. You do not have to keep any secrets from us, even if it's about someone we know. Mama and I are always here for you. You should tell us about everything that disturbs you. We will always listen and believe what you say.
Sonia, can you tell me what you understood about your body and how you can keep it safe?
My body has parts that can be seen and private parts. Private parts are covered by sins. Nobody should touch my private parts except Mama and Papa. I see Mimi and Doctor when Mama is with me. My body belongs to me. I can refuse anybody from touching me if I feel unsafe. If someone touches me and I do not like it, I can say a loud no and run away. I know I'm a brave girl. I will tell Mama, Papa, and everyone in my safe circle if I feel uncomfortable. They will always protect me.
That's my brave little girl. Now let's go to the park and play.
So, children, we discussed about different safety rules that are to be followed when you are at public place. So, I hope you will follow these rules for a happy and a safe life. Okay, children, that's all for now. Thank you.